Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Audi Q3. First thing we do, we find Bluetooth. Watch out at the bottom. We go to the system. It's already come up, look, Audi MMI 4374. Click on there. It's come up. Barry's iPhone 17 Pro is requesting to connect to the MMI system. Accept. Does it match the number? Yes, it does. Allow contacts and favourites to sync? Yes. Pairing request. Looks like it's already paired because that's come up. That's it. Now, you've connected an iPhone to the MMI system. Apple CarPlay. Yes, agree. Apple CarPlay is the best system ever. Now you can do whatever you want without having to touch your phone again. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay, activate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi discoverability and settings. You can also connect a new device via US or select one in the settings for connected devices. To connected devices. Apple CarPlay, Barry's iPhone. That's it, Apple CarPlay's come up. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2020 Audi Q3. First thing you do now, we've connected the phone via Bluetooth, but we go to music. You'll see here at the bottom, it's on Audi MMI or iPhone speaker. So if you played music there, it would come through the iPhone speaker. If we click on Audi MMI, that's where it's going to play. So we'll go back. What you'll see here, the music note, if I click on the music note, it's playing this. If it wasn't playing, what you'd need to do is go to source, so it could be connected to one of these, and just select Barry's iPhone 17 Pro or whatever your phone's called. Click that, then the music will play. There we go. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2020 Audi Q3. So first of all, we'll go like so. There's the screen. You've got navigation there, or you've got the arrow there. Click on the arrow. That comes up. Now, search which destination. I want PR5 4EA. Preston PR5 4EA. That's the one. Preston Setters destination, or Ad Street Setters destination. Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, start.
Please turn right after 200 yards and then make a U-turn.
So it's as easy as that. To cancel navigation, you just click there and it's gone. Really simple system to use, but if you can use Apple CarPlay is by far the best. To go back to Apple CarPlay, click on Phone Apps. To use Apple CarPlay, connect your iPhone with the vehicle. This is it. Alternatively, connect a device via USB or activate one of the connected devices. We'll go to connected devices, Apple CarPlay, Barry's iPhone. That's it. Best system that you can use. I'll just quickly show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. You've got voice activation here. If I click on voice activation for 2 seconds, navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Now it's come up with 2 alternatives. It will automatically go. You don't have to press a go. It will automatically set off because you've asked it to. Now you're on the way, you fancy a coffee. Voice activation again here, 2 seconds. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks Coffee Company on Capitol Way in Preston. It adds 5 minutes to your route. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks Coffee Company.
That's it. You want to cancel navigation. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
You want to send a text. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just in this Audi Q3 testing the Apple CarPlay. It's a really nice car.
It says, I'm just in the Audi Q3 testing the Apple CarPlay. It's a really nice car. Send it.
Yes, please. You will see there, red dots just come up. Barry, I've got a message. Of course, I can't touch my phone, but what you can do, 2 seconds on the voice activation, read text.
Barry said I'm just in the Audi Q3 testing the Applecarplay. It's a really nice car. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
You want to make a phone call? 2 seconds on the voice activation. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Hi, this is Barry. Sorry I can't take your call at the moment. If you leave your name and number after the tone, I'll get back to you.
After you've finished your message.
That's it. You've no need to take your hands off the steering wheel. Even better, shuffle music.
Alright, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
Paul Young, Come Back and Stay. That's shuffling all your songs. If you want to find a specific song, 2 seconds. Play Glory by The Score.
Here's Glory by The Score on Apple Music.
It's that simple, and you've got all the rest of your Apple functions. You don't have to just use Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music. It's fantastic. What I always do is I have an audio book, and while I'm driving, I listen to that.